review another video of another AI tool, which is AutoChannel AI. AutoChannel AI is basically tool which help you to content creator or YouTuber to grow their YouTube channel with the help of AutoChannel AI. So basically, it script voiceover running, making video, and till the publish your video. Everything is done by this AI tool. So if you have been looking for an easier way to create YouTube content with the AI today's video is for you. We are talking a quick at Auto Channel AI, can AI powered platform designed to help creator automate different part of the YouTube workflow. So what is a Auto Channel AI? Auto Channel AI is a tool built to help creators save time by using artificial intelligence for content creation and channel management. Instead of juggling multiple apps, it brings several YouTube tasks into one platform. Whether you are beginner, affiliate marketer, business owner, or someone interesting to build a faceless YouTube channel, this tool aims to simplify the process. Here is some feature of this AI tool. Auto generate AI idea script to help you to create content faster. SEO optimization with the suggestion, title and description, and hashtag to rank your video on discoverability. Centralization dashboard where you can manage your workflow and keep track your content. Automation feature designed to reduce repetitive tasks, helping you focus more creating valuable videos. It is worth it or not worth it to check out if you, this software. If you are spending hour in planning content writing, scripting, and optimization video tool like Auto Channel AI, it could help to streamline your workflow. Keep in mind that AI productivity tool, not a replacement for creativity. The best result still come from publishing high quality original content consistently. Just wrap it out this AI tool. If you had learned to check out the first link in the description for additional detail and bonuses. If you enjoy this video, just like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a fronted price is 14.95 cent, which is a front-end price. There is some upgrade as well. You can go with the upgrade as well with the 30-day money back guarantee. And this is one of the best tool you can enjoy with the Auto Channel AI. Thank you very much.